In this section of the lesson, we're looking at adding linear expressions. And you could notice that you could maybe not write out every single property and not have to rearrange them in the way that I am, but at least at first, until you notice the patterns and are comfortable with doing so, we should stick to using the associative property, commutative property, so on and so forth, until we recognize that we can skip through them without skipping through any of the reasoning. So with this first problem, we're given 3x plus 4 plus 4x minus 3. So I'm going to rearrange this where it's in the order that we can use the associative property and the commutative properties effectively. So first off, I'm going to rewrite what's in the parentheses here in a different order. So since I'm switching the order, I'm using the commutative property of addition. I'm changing this to 4 plus 3x, and again, that's still plus 4x. And I'm going to change this to the additive inverse, negative 3. And I can go ahead and I could move these parentheses some to where I have 4 plus 3x plus 4x plus negative 3. That equals 4 plus 7x plus negative 3. And then again and I use the associative property there when I move the parentheses. Since it's all addition, we can move the parentheses wherever we want. And now I'm going to use the commutative property again to write this as 7x plus negative 3 plus 4, which ends up being 7x plus 1. And again, I use the commutative property, associative property. This was just simplification. And then I used the commutative property again to get to the solution. Part B, we're given 4x minus 5 plus 6x plus 4. Now with this one, I'm not going to write out every single one of the steps. I'm just going to have us recognize that we can combine like terms. So 4x plus 6x minus 5 plus 4. And then we can just go from left to right. And essentially I use the commutative and associative properties simultaneously here to come up with the expression 4x plus 6x minus 5 plus 4. And that's just so we can get like terms next to one another. And this ends up being 10x minus 1. We'll do the same thing with part C. We'll recognize that we can combine like terms using the associative and commutative properties. 7x plus 8x plus 4 plus 7. That equals 15x plus 11.